how to find old Bollettinos for free. First, go to the Clinton Public Library's website, and then you will hit Explore CPL, Local History, Digital Archives, and click on Digital Archives. This will open up our digital collections, and you will scroll down to Little Italy Festival. Click on that, and Il Bollettinos is the first subtitle, and then you can choose a year. I chose 1995 because it was smack in the middle. This will open up the collection for 1995. Then you can double click on any of these to bring them up, and that'll bring up the page. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can go on to the next page if you want to, and that is how you can see all of the old Bollettinos we have in our collection.